Good day, everyone. I am Rica May Jecas Calderon.
And I am Gentle P. Abestano.
And we are from BSN 2AA. So what are we going to do now is we will be playing a game called Find the Verse. So we have 3 words here that 3 categories or 3 words. Every word is we will be searching a verse from the Bible. So the 3 words are not from us, but from my sister here at the back. So, whoever first mentioned the verse with that word is get a score. So, this is a 3 points game. So, who or which one of us will be or will get the 3 points first will be the winner of this game. Okay, so let's start. So these are the materials that will be needed if you're going to play the Find the Verse game. So we have the Bible. I have my Bible and she have her Bible. And the 3 categories prepared by the game master. So, okay, Roxy, first word. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, first word is...
First word sa...
Earth.
Huh?
Earth.
Earth? In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Genesis 1:1. Okay, 1 point. This is, guys, this is not scripted, okay? Okay. Next, so 1 point. So, whoever got the 3 points first will be the winner. Okay, 1 point, 0. Okay, next word.
God.
For God so loved the world.
Hey!
John 3:16.
Okay, mention everything.
For God so loved the world. And He...
Ay! Papakita na lang. Chapter 16 and you read.
Kalimutan ko sa kung ano ba? Sa kadaghan ba? For God so loved the world.
That he gave.
For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, and whatsoever
Believe it.
believe in Him should not perish but have everlasting life.
Hey!
John 3:16.
Okay, 1-1. Okay.
Last na ni.
Di ay last
Dapat
last
upat
2 words.
3 man yung ibang
Opo,
Oh,
nila
last
lang,
isa.
pali na lang. Okay, next, third word.
heaven.
Look, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Genesis 1:1.
Ulahin na no.
Lain daw nga heaven.
Oh, lain na.
Except na lang no.
Genesis, nariridi.
So may sunod doon.
Genesis 1:8. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day.
Pagpuhon daw.
Ay, find the verse, gani.
Sige, go.
Okay, 2 points and 1.
point.
Okay, last word.
Last,
Mm,
righteousness.
righteousness. Uy, pagitaon, dili taguhon man lang. Dapat na agad ang kuhan. Righteousness, no? Okay, First Corinthians 1:13. But of Him are ye in Christ Jesus, who of God is made unto us wisdom and righteousness and sanctification and
Perfect.
redemption. Sheesh! So the winner is me. So that's the game, guys.
Clapping.
So as a Christian, we need to be a good gamer in that game. So thank you for watching, and once again, I am Rica May Jecas Calderon,
And I am Gentle P. Abestana.
and we are from BSN 2AA. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.